Hi, this is Perry with the Hampton Network, and today we're going to be talking about how to track your Udimi solo ads with Clickmagick. But before I do, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered if you've sent out several links to your offers and you spent, hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and you wondered why you're not making any sales? So if you've asked yourself that question, I'm hoping that this video will help you. So what I want to do today is just talk to you about how you should be tracking your solo ads, especially with Clickmagick. And I'll be going kind of in a little bit of a detail. I mean, this is a video for, it can be for beginners or, whether you've been doing this for a while or not. So hopefully everybody can get, some kind of value out of it. So let me go ahead and get started here. So tracking your Udemy solo ads. So basically, all links should be tracked, as I mentioned earlier, especially solo ads. And also there's different types, very numerous and different types of software that can be used to do this. So my software of choice, clearly, is Clickmagick. And in my opinion, I think it is one of the best link trackers available. And again, that's certainly my opinion, but I definitely like using Clickmagick. And I have an account that I have set up. I'm going to kind of show you a couple of links that I've just kind of set up just to test with for this video. So it's actually very easy to create a tracking link in Clickmagick. And once the link is created, you can track pretty much everything about your link. Now, this depends on how advanced you want to get or how basic you want to get. So today, I'm only going to be showing you just I think there's 2 or 3 different ways you can track it, but there's, I think easily, there's 10, 12 different ways, or maybe even more. But we'll kind of get into that later. So why should you track your links? Well, because you want to know how they're performing. Like I mentioned earlier, there's, nothing more frustrating than sending out spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on your links or offers, and you're not tracking them, and you don't understand why you're getting sales. Now, it could be numerous reasons why you're not getting sales. It could be because of your links. It could also be your sales copy. It could be the fact that maybe you're not offering, any bonuses, or, it could be the way your page is designed. It could be numerous things, but you'll want to definitely track your links, because that way at least you'll know right off the bat where the issue could be once you see your tracking reports. This is a big one here. You definitely should know if you're getting real or fake. Some people call them fake clicks or bot clicks, and in Clickmagick, I think they're called flagged clicks. So you definitely want to know, especially with the bots, that you just want to make sure you're getting real and unique clicks. So once again, as I mentioned earlier, if you don't track your links, you may never know why you're not getting sales, and that can be frustrating. So how to track your links with Clickmagick? Well, set up a Clickmagick account. I'm going to include a few links in the description. Well, not that many, probably four or so, but I'm going to include a link to a 14-day free trial to set up your Clickmagick account. Also, you can set up a Udemy solo ad account. This is also free. That link will be in the description. And right here, determine what link or offer you want to track. I'm going to assume that you already have an offer in mind, and you also have, went through, set up your opt-in page and all your lead magnets, and you went with your landing page software. And my favorite by far is ClickFunnels. I think everybody should be using ClickFunnels, but that's just my opinion. So I'm going to determine that you've already set up that offer in ClickFunnels or whatever landing page software you want to use, and you already have a link that you're going to use to track in Clickmagick. So all you have to do for that is create your tracking link in Clickmagick and then start tracking. So what I want to do now is just share my screen with you, or continue to share it, and just do a pretty quick Clickmagick demo. So let me go ahead and get out of this. And now here's Clickmagick. So what I want to do first, though, I want to go over in Udemy. Okay. And what you want to do in Udemy, this is kind of what I do, and I want to keep this video as short as I can. But what I do is I always, set up criteria for my solo ad providers, the providers in Udemy. So I want them to at least have 500 plus ratings. Also, the price, I put 75 cents, but this is going to be a price of 75% and lower, okay? And also, I want to know if their got sales rate is 30% or better, okay? Niche, any niche, but primarily Udemy is the, make money and the wealth niche, okay? And also, I'm just sorting it by sales, okay? So as you can see, based on this criteria here, we've came up with 8 sellers. I've actually used a few of these guys before. So as you can see, Khalid Ibrahim here, he has 69 cents per visitor, okay? And I just chose 200 based off 200 visitors. 69 cents per visit. He's got a 50% got sales rate. That is really, really good. And his ratings, 1,322. So all these guys here are pretty good. This guy is 49%, got sales rate 44%, 39%. And you noticed the more got sales, the higher the percentages for got sales, it's going to cost you more per visitor, and that certainly makes sense. So all you want to do is go here, find out which provider you want. For example, make sure you have your link, and just go ahead and click on whoever you want. Now all you do is put your link in here. You don't need to have ad text. Don't even worry about this. You want to set your visitors here. I always use the base filter, prime filter, and only top tier. You can see the price goes up with it. So once you do that, you add to your cart, and you go ahead and buy, the solo ad. Okay. So now let's say we use this link, but I'm going to use a different link, and I'll kind of show you how to do this. So now let's go over and Clickmagick. Okay, so the link I'm going to be promoting is this one right here, one that I did in ClickFunnels. So this one is the one that I'm going to promote. And actually, let me see if I have that offer. This is something I just put together in maybe a couple of minutes in ClickFunnels. So this is pretty much my opt-in page here for that particular link, okay? So let me close it out. So now we'll go back and Clickmagick. Right now, let me just go back to links here. So I'm in links. Okay, then you want to create a new link, but you don't even have to click it because it's already here. So all you really have to do, let's say, what was the link? Let me put my primary URL here. Okay, let's say iSlick, for example, just for me to test here. Okay, you can just put your link name there, put your link ID here. This is purely optional. I think it has to be within 4 to 32 characters. Okay. Right there, so you have the link name, tracking link. Now right here, I want to show you something very important with this. This is the default that you'll get when you first set up Clickmagick, which is pretty simple, but you can also set up your own custom domain tracking link, which is what I do. Now you have to go into the tutorial videos here in the help section that can tell you how to set up your own link with your domain. And all you do is simply use that, go into your advanced domain service, your DNS editor, and just set up a new CNAME record for your particular domain. But this is it may take you 5-10 minutes, but you use the tutorials here, and you can easily learn it, find out. But right for this video, I just want to show you how to set up a link. So we got that set up. Here's the primary URL. So all we want to do is just at that point, just click Create Link. Okay, so now that we have the tracking link set up, so what we want to do now is just go back and just click on the one we just created. Okay, and what you want to do is now you want to copy this link here. This is going to be your Clickmagick tracking link, okay? So it's very, very important. So let me just do that here. Okay, so here's your original link, and here's your tracking link that you want to use, okay? So now let me open up another private window here, and we'll just go kind of let's go back to the links here real quick. And what we'll do, and just take a look at the stats, we'll go back to the private window here. We'll put in that Clickmagick link. Okay, so it takes us here. We'll fill in my test information there. Just go ahead and click here. Okay, so it's submitting it now, so hopefully it'll go through soon. Okay, shouldn't have took that long, but that's okay. We close that. So now let's go ahead and refresh this page and see if anything changes here. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we got the, tracking click, and the unique click here is what I'm looking for, okay? So that's, kind of how it tracks link. But what I want to show you is this one other test campaign I did. As you can see here, I got these total clicks here. I got 165 unique clicks, and I got 2 flagged clicks, okay? To me, that's a very low number, so I'm not really worried about that. If this number was, I don't know, 15, 20, or 30, I would definitely go back to my solo ad provider and show them this, information here, and let them know, look, I'm getting flagged clicks. You guys need to send me some better traffic. Okay, so that's kind of how very easy it is to set up your links. So I certainly hope you like the content, and also definitely, if you need to watch this video over again, go ahead and do that. But I definitely think I know you should really be tracking all of your links. So if you learned some, in this video, if you like it, please like it, subscribe, share, click the notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. And also leave me comments below if you got any other questions, okay? All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.